Hello friends, welcome to my channel Meenakshi Knowledge Book. In this video, we will discuss about IBPS Clerk Notification 2021 which is released by Institute of Banking Personnel for the selection of clerical cadre in the banks. The selection is based on two examinations which is pre and mains. Pre is scheduled in the month of August or September and mains is scheduled in the month of October 2021. The banks which are participating are also given in the notification. Some important dates regarding notification are: application will start from 12th July 2021 and it closes on 1st August. Pre-exam is scheduled on 28th August, 29th August and 4th September. Mains is scheduled on 31st of October. Provisional allotment will be given in the month of April 2022. Eligibility criteria is: age should be minimum 20 and maximum 28 years. Category wise relaxation is also given. Next, educational qualification is graduation degree from any discipline from a recognized university or board by Government of India. Proficiency in the official language of a state or UT is also required from the state where a candidate wishes to apply. The final result of the graduation should have been declared on or before 1st August 2021. Pre-examination training may not be held this year due to COVID-19 situations. In the pre-examination, there will be 3 subjects: English language, numerical ability and reasoning ability. There will be 30 questions of English language of 30 marks, 35 questions of numerical ability of 35 marks and 35 questions of reasoning ability of 35 marks. Total 100 questions of 100 marks. 20 minutes will be allotted to each section and total 60 minutes will be given to the pre-examination. After clearing the cutoff decided by IBPS in the pre, there will be main examination. In the main examination, there are 4 subjects: general or financial awareness, general English, reasoning ability and quantitative aptitude. There will be 50 questions of general awareness of 50 marks, 40 questions of English of 40 marks, 50 questions of reasoning of 60 marks and 50 questions of quantitative aptitude of 50 marks. Total 190 questions and 200 marks. Sectional timing is also given in the main examination also. After main examination, the selection will be based on the marks scored by student in the main examination. The marks of pre-examination will not be included in the final merit list. There will be a penalty of 0.25 marks for wrong answers in both pre and main examinations, which means 0.25 marks will be deducted from total marks for each wrong answer. The application can be filled online from 12th July to 1st April 2021. A passport size photo, signature, left thumb impression and a handwritten declaration is required for filling the application form. The signature should not be in capital letters and handwritten declaration should also not be in capital letters. Application fees will be 175 for SC, ST, PWD and ex-servicemen and 850 for general category candidates. Candidates are advised to carefully fill the application form because no changes will be allowed after the final submission. Payment will be online only and application will also be submitted online only. Category wise and state wise distribution of vacancies is given here. Some banks have not reported vacancies till now and some banks have reported 0 vacancies, but these vacancies will be added later on before the final allotment of the candidates. Till now, there are 5830 vacancies. The link of advertisement notification is given in the description box. Like, subscribe and comment if you find my video knowledgeable.